Hi, I'm Steve White. I'm President and Chief Operating Officer of PuroClean. My introduction to the military was actually as a little boy. My father was an Army National Guard soldier, and as a little boy, I polished his boots for him when he was going to drill weekends. I did 6 years on active duty, and I was a captain at the time that I got out. We have lots of veterans operating in our system today. Our Franchise Owner of the Year, current reigning Franchise Owner of the Year, is a military veteran, an Air Force veteran. We had a recent Rookie of the Year was a Navy veteran. And so, yeah, we've got lots of veterans in our system. Well, I think don't underestimate the value of your leadership. That's really, really important. And I think also every business has got some kind of a system to it. I don't know anybody who's better at following a system and following a process to get the desired result than a military person. And so I think that those are super valuable qualities, and that you shouldn't underestimate them, and you should try and find a way to put those front and center in your resume. I think there are a lot of good tools. I think the best among them can be found at vetfran.com. There's a great toolbox there for veterans, especially those looking at franchise opportunities. And I think that veterans are uniquely qualified to be successful in the franchise world. I think military veterans have great long-term growth prospects as franchise owners within PuroClean, because they have been part of units where they see levels of leadership and multiple unit management from, the squad level to the platoon to the company, the battalion, and so on. And that can be true to some degree within PuroClean, where somebody can start off with an individual office and they're hands-on involved every single day, to growing that office to where it's a completely managed business, that they're running the business, but they're not necessarily playing an integral role in the business, to even owning multiple businesses. So there are those successive levels of leadership here, just like there are in the military. Here's why I think veterans tend to be more successful than the average person as a PuroClean franchise owner. Every franchise is to some degree a system. We've got a very clearly laid out system. People who follow the system do better faster. People who come out of the military have been taught how to follow a system, how to follow a process. And so everybody can be successful in our system. Not everybody has had the schooling that the military provides in how to follow that system. And I think that's a principal reason that veterans achieve success so much more quickly than the average person who comes into our system.